Good morning, it's September 22nd, 2024. My wife said I should make a video about these cart pens, whatever you call them. Some things I didn't know, and mine wasn't working real well, and the juice was coming up out of the mouthpiece and stuff. So I figured I'd let you all know what I found out. If you take the card off and look at the top of yours, somewhere there's going to be these little notches. See them, how they're cut out, one on each side? I take a Sharpie and wherever that notch is, make a line so that you can see it without needing to use a magnifying glass. Then, whatever cart you get, there's also air holes on each side, right above the threads on each side. And I take and put a little mark above the hole so it can line up with the mark that's on the battery. And then you know that your battery thing here can breathe, and you're not going to run into the problem of having the holes clogged up and stuff spitting out the top. See, you just line up your marks and the air goes in that little crack there and everything can breathe. So that's how you do it. Say hello to Roscoe, he's taking a nap. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.